There's nothing more embarrassing or more wasteful or costly than an irrigation system that runs when it doesn't have to, in the rain. Hunter rain sensors provide the simplest, most effective way to prevent sprinklers from coming on during or after precipitation. Our full lineup of sensors can easily be added to any automatic irrigation system, keeping sprinklers off during a rainstorm and for days afterwards until the landscape has had time to dry out. When the weather clears, your Hunter rain sensor automatically resets and allows the controller's normal watering schedule to resume. At the time of installation, your contractor will set the rain sensor for best operation in your local climate. If you need to bypass the sensor at any time, simply use the bypass switch on the face of your Hunter controller. For additional information about Hunter rain sensors, contact your installer.